Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Huion Kamvas 12, and now I'm gonna show you how to change pressure sensitivity on this device. To do it, you need to open the Huion application, then find digital pen, click on it, then click pressure sensitivity adjustment. If you wanna make it softer, you can click soft. And of course you can make it softer than soft. You can change it to a little harder, normal, harder, and hard. And of course you can make it custom if you want. And here on this window you can check your settings. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.